Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen components of computational thinking. Today, in this video class, we are going to see applying reasoning to make decision and the importance of computational thinking. Okay, if you want to apply reasoning method, students, this reasoning means how you are going to use your brain. You are having some problem, or in real life I'm talking. I'm not talking about our theoretical, I'm talking about your real life. In your real life, if you are getting any problem, how you are going to use your mind. You want to solve any complex, if it is a mathematics or anything, how you are going to use reasoning. If you want to use this reasoning, you should follow the components of computational thinking. If you follow the components of computational thinking, only you can able to use reasoning mind. Reasoning means we can able to see IQ, your brain IQ, how you will use your IQ. If you want to use your reasoning skill more, you should follow a components of computational thinking. Without components of computational thinking, you cannot able to use reasoning, means your IQ in a deep level. Okay, maximum chess game is a chess game, everything is of depend on human IQ. If you are following the component computational thinking in your real life, definitely your IQ will increase. Now I am giving one example. In your book they given so many sums, but I am giving only one sum. 343 multiplied by 5. 343 multiplied by 5. Correct? How we will do? 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. 5 4s are 20, 1, remainder 2. 15 plus 2. Correct? We will multiply by this now. And there is another trick. If you use your reasoning skill, your mind, it is very simple trick. Any number multiply by 5 we can do in a fingertip. Can I explain? See here, 10 by 2 equal to 5. Correct? So any type of number, I am explaining this only. 343, okay, divide by 2. What will be the answer? 1. 1 will go here, so 7. Now 1.5. Correct? So see here, now 1 0 add it over, just multiply by 10 over. Any number just divide by 7 3 2 5, multiply by 5. How you will do? Very simple trick. Just divide by 2. What will be the answer? See, 3 6 6 2.5 multiply by 5. So this will be the answer. Multiply by 10. So this is the answer. If you want, I will show you. You try. 7325 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 remainder 2. 10 12 remainder 1. 15 6 remainder 1. 35 36. See, we got the answer. Any number, if you want to multiply by 5, no need to multiply, just divide by 2 and multiply by 10 over. Any number. This is a trick. This is a reasoning mind. If you are using your mind, there are so many tricks in mathematics. Not only mathematics, in your real life also. If you want to use that all tricks, you should follow computational thinking. You should implement in your day to day, every day in your real life. If you are applying that components of computational thinking, definitely reasoning, your IQ level will increase. Okay. So in your book they given simple sums, 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that. So I given one trick to you. You can use in your daily life also. If you want to multiply by 25, very simple. Here you are dividing by 2 now, divide by 4. and multiply by 100. When you are multiplying by 5, you are dividing by 2 and multiply by 10. If you are dividing by, if you are multiplying by 25, just divide by 4 and multiply by 100. So this all the tricks, so many tricks are there. Okay, but that is all not our, what to say, it is not in our portion, but this is a reasoning, the way how you are thinking, your ability to solve your problem, mathematics or any real life. Okay, now next we can go to a importance of computational thinking. Why we are using computational thinking? First thing, if you are using computational thinking, you can solve any type of problem in your real world or your anything in your examination or any. Now first one, preserving. You will never give up. If you want to become a IAS or IPS or IFS anything, you will never become, you will never give up. You will not get tired. You will try how much possibilities is, that much you will try and you will achieve. Means you will never give up. Okay, you will tell